The demise of Twitter and your home business. You see, it's very likely that Twitter is, like most major corporations, and heavily overstaffed. Well, you're probably working at home and you probably don't have that many people working for you, or you're probably just working entirely alone. You see, as most companies grow, it's easier for incompetent employees to get by. Since incompetent employees are usually less efficient, management solves the problem by hiring even more employees, which breeds even more inefficiencies. Like here we have at Twitter, where the efficient employees become disgruntled and then they move on, which leaves even to more hiring. So it's quite possible a company the size of Twitter could easily operate on 10% of what they previously were operating on. There's a saying that 10% of your employees do almost 90% of the work. Well, actually, it's usually 20% do 80% of the work. The 80-20 rule. The larger the company, the greater that disparity. So if you're working at home, you can control the efficiency, not quite like what Elon Musk can do with his employees, except for get rid of them. So learn from the demise Twitter that you can use that efficiency by working alone or having just few people like virtual assistants help you. So systems, tools, and apps can help you work alone more efficiently. So check it out, and we can help you find that all-in-one system, all-in-one product of systems, tools, and apps platform for you.